This is a Roush-powered 1974 MG MGB GT called Double Agent, created by Joe Holyfield, and it recently sold at the 2024 Barrett Scotsdale Auction for $82,500. Shoved into the engine bay is a Roush Coyote 5-liter V8 producing 500 horsepower and 475 pound-feet of torque, paired with a Ford MT82 6-speed manual transmission and Ford 8.8 rear end. The chassis is a unibody design with front factory frame members, added doublers at stress points, and factory-looking extensions running all the way back to the rear suspension pickup points. The engine is used as a stress member, picking up the front suspension points and using the firewall as a mid-motor plate, connecting to a heavy wall trans-tunnel running from the mid-motor plate to the rear suspension points. The car weighs just 2,347 pounds, full of fluids, with a close to 50-50 weight distribution. The front suspension is a Fast Cars Inc. tubular front crossmember and arms with Delrin bushings, QA1 coilovers, 27mm anti-sway bar, and Stiletto 20:1 aluminum steering rack. The adjustable 4-link rear suspension has a Whiteline rear differential cover and integrated Watts-link and custom-built cantilever pushrod-style suspension with double adjustable QA1 coilovers. There are Wilwood disc brakes on all 4 corners, including parking brakes, controlled with a full Wilwood pedal assembly. The body was widened 6 inches with a Preform Resources body kit, and the front and rear bumpers were widened to match the body. It features a Frenched-in Euro plate, shaved emblems and reverse lights, vortex generator inlaid on top of the shaved hatch, drip rails cut and narrowed, custom-built functional roof scoop that feeds helmet coolers, custom-built rear diffuser, and flush-mounted glass. The car is finished in a 2001 BMW M3 Phoenix Gold with trim done in black chrome. It has all LED lighting with KC headlights and driving lights, as well as Jong Bloed lightweight racing wheels wrapped in Nitto NT05 tires. The interior has a riveted aluminum floor and tunnel, gated switches, Kirky adjustable seats that are narrowed and wrapped and feature a diamond-pleat design with yellow stitching, Schloth 4-point seat belts, leather-wrapped roll bar with yellow stitching, wrinkle-finished dash, LED lit classic instrument custom gauges, Ididit Prolite steering column with a removable wheel, suede headliner and door panels, Alpine batteries. It also has a Ron Francis builder kit with a push-button start, and this car was even featured on a variety of car shows, TV shows, and even events including SEMA, My Classic Car, Gas Monkey Garage, and more. So with that, that's going to be the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button for me, really appreciate it, and consider getting subscribed for more content like this in the future. With that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.